down there. Oh my God. Keep us together. All right. Somebody tell me where we find what love is in the street. If we just let it be. In the family. Never need a word.
Veteran Nigerian singer, songwriter, and actress, Ms Onyeka Onwenu is dead. Ms Onwenu died Tuesday evening at the Reddington Hospital, Lagos after she slumped after playing at the birthday party of Mrs. Stella Okoli. An eyewitness said, "It is very sad. Onyeka Onwenu just performed at the birthday of Mrs. Stella Okoli today, Tuesday, July 30, 2024, and after performing, she slumped. She was taken to Reddington Hospital and she couldn't make it." The late singer turned politician and rights activist, who was dubbed the elegant Stallion by the Nigerian press, was at a time the chairperson of the Imo State Council for Arts and Culture. In 2013, she was appointed the executive director/chief executive officer of the National Center for Women Development. She will be remembered for her numerous songs, among them, Wait for Me, which she sang with Juju Mistro, King Sunny Ade. Born on January 31, 1952, to Nigerian educationist and politician D.K. Onwenu, her father died in a car accident when she was just 4 years old. A week before his appointment as Minister for Education, Onwenu held a BA in International Relations and Communication from Wellesley College, Massachusetts, and an MA in Media Studies from the New School for Social Research, New York. She worked for the United Nations as a tour guide before returning to Nigeria in 1980 to complete her mandatory National Youth Service Corps, NYSC, with the Nigerian Television Authority, NTA, in Lagos. At NTA, she produced the internationally acclaimed BBC/NTA documentary Nigeria, A Squandering of Riches in 1984. Onwenu began her recording career in 1981 while still with NTA, releasing the album For the Love of You. Originally a secular artist, she transitioned to gospel music in the 1990s and wrote most of her own songs. Her acting debut was in Zulu Okafor's Nightmare, where she played Jokare, a childless woman who adopts an abandoned baby. Onwenu featured in numerous Nollywood films and won the Africa Movie Academy Award for Best Actress in a Supporting Role in 2006 for her performance in Widow's Cot. Her recent screen appearances include Half of a Yellow Sun, 2014, with Chiwetel Ejiofor and Thandiwe Newton, and Lionheart, 2018. Onwenu was a member of the People's Democratic Party, PDP. She contested twice for chairperson of Idieto North local government area of Imo State but did not succeed. She was appointed chairperson of the Imo State Council for Arts and Culture by former Governor Ikebia Hakim. On September 16, 2013, President Goodluck Jonathan appointed her as the executive director/CEO of the National Center for Women Development.
The BBC and Nigerian television asked me to report as a Nigerian television journalist on the situation in my country. Recently, like many Nigerians, I've felt frustrated and saddened by what has happened to us. We've had our independence for more than 20 years. By third world standards, we have a well-educated elite. We had a productive farming economy. We have minerals. And we discovered a few years ago that we had oil, a lot of oil. This one we're rehearsing is both a love song and a song about my country.
Onwenu kept her personal life private, rarely disclosing details about her ex-husband. She is survived by her 2 children, Tijani Charles and Abraham. She passed away on July 30, 2024.